thought I'd send you another quick video message just to give you a visual of the process that I've set up for you. So let's just say someone goes to your website. They click invest and there's click here to apply. They click that link, obviously go through the questionnaire that you have, and I presume once they finish, there's some type of confirmation, or perhaps it takes them to another page, either or at some point, for the clients that you wish to onboard with Ox Securities. Just have this page as a part of the process on your side. Obviously, it's just a URL, so you can put it into a dynamic website button or whatever you please from a visual perspective, but I've made it as simple and as direct as possible. They click on this link, they open their Ox Securities trading account. So this apply here button has your IB referral link encrypted in it. As you can see, that's your specific link. So they submit their application, go to step 2, log into their client portal and apply as an IB. So they have a rebate account that's created. It's also a quick video tutorial on how to do that. Once that's completed, they simply click on the performance fee configuration request form. They click here to receive the template, which is essentially just a PDF document that allows them to fill out their name and their rebate account number. Obviously, this is customized to your PAMM specifically. If you don't want your actual personal name there displayed, that is fine. Just let me know and we can change it to an alias name or a strategy name. It quickly outlines the performance fee structure and the split and the terms to ensure that they do use their tracking link when signing up people. So name, rebate, and they simply then just save that document on their PC and then email that through to the email address as instructed. Just here. I can also put that on the other page as well to make it as easy as possible. Once confirmed, they're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, man.